Hey guys, have you ever found yourself making excuses that you just don't have enough time to work out? Well, I'm going to show you how you can do an awesome back workout in just 10 minutes. Stick around. Hey guys, Rick here with 5150 Fitness. Remember to always consult your doctor prior to starting any exercise program. So the number one excuse I always hear from people is I just don't have enough time to work out. I get it. Most people have a very busy schedule these days and they just don't have time to spend hours in the gym. So that's why I put together an awesome back workout that can be done in just 10 minutes. We should all be able to find 10 minutes and I guarantee you will appreciate the results. So always remember to warm up before starting any exercise. For all these exercises, you're going to be using between 30 to 40% of your 1 rep max. So the next 7 exercises should be done with 1 minute rest in between sets. And remember to drink lots of water. Here we go. Well, there you go, guys. Hopefully you're feeling an awesome pump from those 7 exercises. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more great exercises like this one. See you around.